So next up, guys, we've got a Miller DU-OP. It's a diesel powered welding generator, set up for 2 people to be welding at the same time, I believe. Got leads coming off both sides there, or hookups, I guess. It does not come with the leads. Showing right around 5,300 hours, guys. Starts right up. Seems to run good. We haven't checked the generator or the welding properties of it, but you know, these things are pretty dependable. Come in from a rental company. Start right up. So fire's right up there, guys. Got 300 amps going both ways. There's the demo, guys, on the Miller DU-OP diesel powered welding generator. Good luck, guys. Auction time, old 20.